Manish Nigam, and today I'm going to discuss with you the invitations. A question, a short composition question that comes in examination of class 11 and 12 English CBSE. Before I start the invitation, let me give you a little bit information about that. So there are two types of invitation. One is formal and one is informal. Formal invitation means the printed material, like the marriage invitation. Suppose if it is a marriage of your elder brother or sister, what you do? You just get a printed card, printed invitation to be sent to your relatives or friends. Suppose if it is any program in a school, then we have invitation for that. If any opening ceremony or inauguration, then also we have invitations. So these are all printed invitations. Today I am going to discuss with you two types of invitation here. One, the marriage, and the other school functions. Okay, so without any delay, let me start the school function invitation. Suppose your school is organizing an annual function of your school, and the question that you will get, you are Ravi or Raja from ABC or any other school. Okay, your school is organizing annual function and prepare an invitation to be sent to parents or friends. Give all relevant details. If the details are given there regarding the school or other things, then you can mention it. Otherwise, if it is not there, you have to create your own details, your own information. So while I am explaining you that, I'll give you all such things. Okay, so school invitation and the annual function. So first of all, how we start, and before that you have to remember one more point, that it is central aligned. Okay, invitations are all central aligned and the word limit is also there. It is a 4-mark question, so I request you not to waste your time, because so many children are there habitual of just drawing or making designs or patterns or something. So it is not at all needed. You can do simple one thing, that to carry two color pens, one blue and one black, and whenever you think or you want to underline or emphasize any particular point, you can just change the color of the pen. Okay, so the school function, annual function, and how we write the invitation, let me start. First of all, we write principal, staff and students of. Now here comes the name of the school. So here I have taken an imaginary school, ABC Public School, and the place you can mention here. Okay, first principal, staff and students of this school. Now comes a line that you can remember. Okay, let me write and after that I'll tell you. Request the pleasure of your benign presence. Okay, now let me clarify one thing. Request the pleasure of your benign presence. Instead of that, you can write request the pleasure of your company, or you can write cordially invites you. Okay, 3 lines you remember. Request the pleasure of your benign presence. You can use it for all invitations. Request the pleasure of your company and cordially invites you. Whichever line suits to you, you please accept that. So there it is. Request the pleasure of your benign presence. What it is? On the occasion of, what is the program? Annual function. So here you need to highlight that. Annual function. So you can use the color, any color like black or blue. If you are writing with blue, use black. And if you are writing with black, use blue. Okay. So this must be highlighted. Okay. Yeah. Annual function. After writing this, remember while I explained you the notice, I mentioned about day, date, time and venue or place. Day, date, time and place. Remember this funda. Whenever you are writing invitations or notice, this pattern will be followed everywhere. First day, second date, third time and fourth venue. Okay. So now annual function is there. So now we have to mention the day first. On any day you can take Monday, comma, then the date. What date it may be? 21 Jan, 2021. Okay. Then comes time at 5 p.m. Now comes place. Last point is what? Place. So where we write the place and where the program is going to be organized? In the school auditorium. Got it? This one part is completed. Now comes the next part. Obviously it is a school function, so there must be a guest. Now check. So after completing this, you have to mention the name of the guest, whosoever the guest, and if it is not given in the question, don't worry. You write any name there. You write your own name, no problem. So here I write my name, M. Nigam. Okay, any designation you can put there, any designation. So here I imagine to be MLA of the city or MLA of my constituency. So here it is MLA, that is okay, put it in bracket. So and oh yes, remember that you have to write this name with a different color so that this point or this chief guest can be highlighted. Got it? This is done now. Now come to the last line. What is there? Sorry. Has kindly consented to be the chief guest of the program and give away the prizes. Okay, my dear children, as I mentioned here that one particular line should be remembered. Likewise, you have to remember this particular line. Has kindly consented to be the chief guest of the program, and give away the prizes. That's clear. Now comes the last part, the end, how we are going to close it. So here I am rubbing it. Please have a screenshot. So here I'll rub because the board is small, short. That's why the things cannot be completed there entirely. Now after completing this, you will write R, S, V and P. You would have seen it many a times. So what is this RSVP? That is actually a French word. Respondes, si, vous play. Responde, si, vous play. That means please reply. Okay. And it is a school function, so it will be principal. Without any doubt, you can mention that. And if you want to write the name of the school, you can. Otherwise, it is not needed. And after completing this part, you have to just draw the enclosure or the outline. Got it? So this was the completion of the invitation, the school program. Let me start again. First of all, we write name of the principal, staff and students of, then the name of the school. Okay, and this line remains here. Request the pleasure of your benign presence. So in that case or in that place, you can write any other word. Other line like request the pleasure of your company or cordially invites you. Then mention on the occasion of. What is the occasion? It's annual function. And then after writing this, you have to follow the pattern day, date and time. So the day is there. Always remember the day will come first. So Monday it is there. Then the date is there. Then the time is there. And after that the place where it is going to be organized. It is a school auditorium. And after completing this part, you can write the name of the chief guest and choose any name and give any false or fake designation for that. After completing that, you just write one more line there. Has kindly consented to be the chief guest of the program and give away the prizes. So that particular line you have to remember. Okay. And finally that RSVP, respondes, See who play, that means please reply. And here it is, principal. Name you can write, otherwise it's not needed. So this one part is completed. Now let me complete the next invitation, that is marriage invitation. How we do the marriage wala invitation, let me tell you that. And so many things you will find the same. Okay, now let me clarify before you. So what happens when it is a marriage invitation? Suppose you are Janvi Nigam, okay, and your father has told you to just prepare an invitation for the marriage of your elder brother or sister, giving all relevant details. If the details are there, then it's okay, otherwise you just give any other detail. So Janvi Nigam, the name is already given there. So remember, here we write Mr. and Mrs. Manoj Nigam. Okay, that is a name here. Mr. and Mrs. Manoj Nigam, that is the name of the person who is actually inviting you. Family, husband and wife both. Then comes that particular line. Request the pleasure of your benign presence, request the pleasure of your company, or cordially invites you. Whichever you want to choose, please do that. I will take this, request the pleasure of your benign presence. Okay, what is the occasion now? On the occasion of, what is that? Marriage. So here we will keep it that, or on the occasion, on the auspicious occasion, you can also write that. So let me write this one here, on the auspicious occasion of, okay, now we'll keep this in bold form, marriage. Okay, this we have to keep it in bold form, it will be highlighted. Marriage of their daughter. Okay, if it is within the question, if it is given for son, okay, you just mention here of their son, and if it is given daughter, so you can mention daughter. Of their daughter, or you can write here son, okay, of their son. What is the name of the son? Imagine it to be Raj. Okay, now Raj is going to be married with a girl, that is, you can here write weds, name of girl, it may be Rani. And while you write the name of the bridegroom, remember to mention the parents' name also. Daughter of Dio, you write here Dio, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. R.K. Srivastava. Okay, got it? This one part is completed. Now what happens? Again, day, date, time and place. Remember this funda. We'll mention all that here. So this one part is done. Now let me clarify the day. When it is going to be on, take any date, any day. Monday, I'll take on Monday. Now put the date there. 25 Jan 2021. Okay. Now time will not be given here, because time, actually marriage has various programs, so we'll make a separate list of programs, and at that time we'll mention the time, but here we'll write the place. So on Monday 25 Jan 2021, where the program is going to be, at any hotel's name you can write, at Maharaja Hotel, Delhi. Got it? This is one part. Got it? Now comes the next. So I'll rub again the upper portion. So yes. So here it is, on Monday 25 Jan 2021 at Maharaja Hotel, Delhi. This is done now. Now we'll make a list of program. Okay. What are the different programs when you see a marriage ceremony? So first of all, reception, reception of Barat. So it will be at 8 p.m. Then comes dinner, the next program. That will be at 9 p.m. Then comes marriage ceremony. Marriage ceremony. So that will be at 10 p.m. And final one is what? That is Bidai or Doli. So you can mention here Doli. That will be the next day. It will be 9 or 8 a.m. whatever you want to choose. This was the list of program. Now if you want to close it, you can. You just make a small box there. This part is okay. Now comes the last part. That is what? R, S, V and P. Who was the invite here? That was Mr. and Mrs. Nigam. So simply you write here Mr. and Mrs. Nigam, no problem. Or you can write the name of any firm. Okay. So Nigam Associates. Nigam Associates, or you can mention the name Mr. and Mrs. Nigam. Okay, and that completes your invitation. Here if you want to write, not mandatory, if you want to write, you can write there with best compliments from friends and relatives. Let me write that. With best compliments from friends and relatives. So dear children, today we have seen the two and yes, don't forget to put all that in a box or in a closure. Okay, so this there we have done two invitations, one based on school program and one based on marriage. Okay, remember certain points so that you can, when you are writing in exams, you can just put like the beginning line that request the pleasure of your benign presence or request the pleasure of your company. And in a school invitation you can also mention or learn that particular line, has kindly consented to be the chief guest and give away the prizes. Okay, RSVP, it will be everywhere in all invitation. Responders see who play, that means please reply and write the name of the family which has invited actually. So I hope you would have understood it, and that was all from my side. Thank you and God bless.